Hello, darling. I hope you've been following with us on our Twisted Grip series. We're going to go over a handstand drill that's really going to help us with our Twisted Grip Ayeshas and handsprings. What's great is you don't have to be a high-level pole dancer to start practicing this. This is going to get our shoulders and our body used to going into this position before we take it up on the pole. So we're going to start with our Twisted Grip one-arm handstands. I recommend getting used to handstands against a pole before trying this. And also make sure you have a spot while you do this the first time. Go ahead and drop yourself down. Inside shoulder touches the pole. I'm going to come to this arm underneath my shoulder. Tuck your chin in, come to your twisted grip. I'm ready to kick up. Inside leg kicks up. You can catch around the pole and find your nice tall handstand. What I'm going to do is find my feet in pencil and pull my hips close to the pole. Find that nice balanced position. You can take it to your split. Slowly come back down with control. Once we've got that, then we can practice going up and taking a rotation towards our handspring shape. I'm going to set it up again. Let myself kick up. I'm going to push into that bottom arm, keep one foot wrapped in front, one foot wrapped behind. Look towards the pole as I let myself twist my body, pull my knees down towards that handstand on the floor. Use that one arm handstand variation to your advantage. Try split legs, try straddle legs, try wavy legs. You can take it into a walkover, you can take it into a leg hang. That move in and of itself is a whole world, and practicing that really strong twisted grip, one arm pencil is going to get us ready for a twisted grip Ayesha or handspring. So now that we've got a feel for that, we're going to take it up on the pole. This is helpful to have a spot to get your hips guiding up towards the pole. I'm going to drop it down, index finger down, wrap the other fingers, palm the pole, stack the elbow. Come into my twisted grip. Now, I can't be looking at the floor and do this. I've got to tuck my chin all the way in, head down, kick it up, and I can rotate and drop my hips back into my handspring. After you've tried that a couple of times, make sure we're always going back to the floor and practicing that as our foundation and practicing those variations. As we rotate our shoulders and move our hips around, it changes how our balance sits within that handstand. So doing those different variations on the floor is just going to get us stronger for those variations in the air. Last but not least, I want to show a twisted grip inverted D. So this way, I'm going to get into this by walking my top leg up, dropping my chest down. I'm going to get it into my ankle as high as it will go. My top arm is going to go into my twisted grip. I have to face the floor. From here, I push this bottom arm in my ear, drop my head down, bring my legs together. I'm now in my nice twisted grip inverted D. Pull your knees to your shoulders and find that straddle. Such a smooth, strong way into our twisted grip Ayesha. Stick with all of these drills. I promise they're going to get your shoulders strong and your core ready for those twisted grip handstands and Ayeshas. Give it a whirl. Let me know how it goes, and I hope you'll join me next time. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.